Kia ora, hello, and welcome to Madkea. Today I am going to show you around your dashboard. So let's get into it and take a look. As you can see, I have pre-entered my username and my password. So let's go ahead and log in. When you first arrive on your Madkea dashboard, it should look something like this. As you can see at the top here, we have support. If you were to click this, it would take you through to another page where you can raise a ticket if you're looking for help. If we scroll down a little, you can see that there are 16 pages on our Madkea website, and we've used just over 11 megabytes of our 100 megabyte allowance. Alright, and for this tutorial I'm going to work my way down the left hand side of the screen here. Not going to go into too much detail about any of these, I'm just going to show you around them briefly, as there are further instructional videos on all of these different categories. So let's jump into instructional videos. This is where you will find a bunch of quick video tutorials to help you get started with setting up Madkea. As you can see, it's got video tutorials on adding a new page and deleting a page, and so on. This is where I upload all the Madkea videos to help you out. And let's go down to options, business details. This is where you can obviously update your logo, change your business name, address, country, your Google Maps, phone number, cell phones, email addresses. All of this information that you put into this form here will auto-populate on your new Madkea website. And the same goes for social media. Facebook, LinkedIn and Google Plus are extremely easy to set up on this platform. Let's jump down to pages, all pages. In pages, this is where you'll find all the pages on your website. This is the 16 pages I showed you previously. And media, this is where all your images and your logo are contained. Some of these are currently on the website and some of these are there for you to use at your convenience, should you choose. And last but not least, but fairly important, is your profile. Don't be too concerned about the personal options up here. As you can see, this is the username and you cannot change it, so I hope you've chosen something that you like and can remember. Sorry about that, scroll down a little too fast. If we just scroll down a little, this is where you can change your email. Please don't email me on this, as it's a fake email I've put in here. And if you wish to update your password, you can do this here. It's extremely easy. You just remove it and type in what you want. And there is another instructional video on the profile and how to change password, etc. So let's cancel that, and that's a wrap. That is a brief introduction into the Madkea dashboard and how easy it is to use. Cheers.